Welcome to linuxhelp.com. For today's topic, I will show you how to create a free AWS account. AWS Amazon Web Services is a server cloud service platform. AWS is a secure cloud service platform offering compute power, database storage, content delivery, and other functionality to help businesses scale and grow. Running web and application server in the cloud to host dynamic websites. The basic AWS administrator responsibilities involve the configuration of AWS Cloud Management Service and careful monitoring and management of their services. So now I will see how to create a AWS free account. First, we will search about the AWS account creation. We will go to AWS website. Now here we'll see create an AWS account. Click on that option. Now from there you will be forwarded to a page in which you have to provide email address, password for 2 times and AWS account name. The AWS account, it will 12 months of free tier access, and in that it will include Amazon EC2, Amazon S3 and Amazon DynamoDB. For any other queries, you can visit its website. It will be mentioned here. Now here provide email address. I am providing account name as Linux Help. Click continue. Here you have to give basic contact information like company name, phone number, country, region, address, city. Click the agreement. Some of the fields here are mandatory. You have to give that detail until you cannot make forward step. Now create account and continue. After giving all the credentials, you have to give your payment information. The payment information, they are asking only for your identity. They will not charge you when you below the AWS free tier limit. Only in case if you go beyond the limit, they will charge you. As per of card verification process, they will charge you ₹2 on your card. After providing all the payment details here, I will click verify and add. So after verify and add, they will lead you to the choosing plan page. There you have to choose plan. What is your, you can choose any plan in it. So based on your requirement, your learning, you can choose them. Since this is a demo process, so I am working with the basic plan. This is what is a free plan. You will, so after choosing, you will lead to this page. Here you have option to personalize your experience. You have to define your role. I am an IT administrator. I'm interested in the DevOps. What is the field you like to learn? What is the field you like to explore? You have to choose here and click submit. Now after that, you have to sign into console. They will lead you to the management console. This is the AWS management console. Hence here you can see all the services from the AWS. You can see EC2 and all when you visit there. It will show all the instances and the load balances for all the services. After the account creation, you will receive an email from the AWS. After 24 hours, it will activate. So all the services you can access after the activation of your account. I already activated my account, so I can access all these services. So now you can use all the services from here. If you go in the service section, you will see here all the services like S3 bucket. But these all the services have limited time periods, so you have to be aware of that they will not exceed your time limit. Hence, hope you get the idea how to create your account and how to use your services. So this is the method to get a free account from the AWS management to use your services for the learning. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com. And if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.